Oh my god, it's so loud.
Hey, this is Zach and Wyatt. Today, we're putting an exhaust on Wyatt's Ruckus.
Yes.
It's like buying a racing beat exhaust for a Miata.
Why? What do you... Stop with the Miata thing. What is wrong with you?
You're supposed to say cut to the intro or whatever.
Oh, yes. Roll the intro!
What do we have here, Wyatt?
Alright, so we have an SSP-G or SSP-G exhaust. I wanted to get the Ruckus a little louder and get some more performance out of it. And yeah, this is what we're going to do today. Before we do this, I would
You got to do the test.
The test? Oh, yes!
Yeah.
So, I was surprised Zach showed me. He just like blew into it. This thing really muffles sound with the baffle in it.
The muffler?
Yeah.
The muffler.
It's so quiet. It's insane. It's gonna be so freaking loud when this is out of it.
How loud is it without?
I don't know. We're gonna find out when we put it on. I think we're gonna do a test with like the stock exhaust, and then we'll do it with this with the baffle in it, and then we're gonna do it open. I really wanted to get this one because there wasn't a whole lot of videos on YouTube with this exhaust. There was one that was a pretty decent video, but he put the exhaust on and he didn't take the baffle out for some reason. So you couldn't hear how loud it was. So I want to make a better video and demonstrate what exactly this sounds like.
The baffle does come out, right?
Yeah, I think it does with these
You
Allen
think
keys.
it does?
I haven't played with it yet.
You don't know if the baffle comes out.
We're gonna find out. I've seen pictures of it without the baffle in it, so I'm assuming you just undo these 3 bolts and it comes out. So far,
What have you painted purple?
Nothing's been painted purple.
Are you sure?
It is not from Florida.
Are you sure?
I'm 100%. I don't think there's anything purple on it.
All right, what did you do to this? Because those bars look weird.
Yeah, these are, so I got this first. This most of this stuff is from the Ruck Shop. I got this BMX style stem. I don't remember what they were off of, but these are the only bars that I had in my backyard that would work, and I think they were off of some mountain bike or something. But yeah, these are 7/8 all the way across. They don't have like the bulge in the middle. And I thought they were pretty cool. I kind of went for like a cafe racer kind of look, and that's not working too well. But that's what I kind of tried to go for. And I don't know. I might go for some flat bars later. I had to move the speedo because the stock ones they go like right here, and that wouldn't work because the bracket's gone. And then I got the Composimo. I think that's what it's called, the headlight lowering bracket. And I really wanted that because I haven't done shocks yet, but it's weird. It makes the Ruckus look so much lower. I really like it. I kept the stock mirrors on it. I think I'm gonna do bar end mirrors eventually.
Jesus Christ, you got an intake as
Yep,
well.
I got an intake.
Oh, what's that little oil filter? Or,
this is a
filter.
when you do the airbox delete, which sits here, you have to delete some of the lines that go into the carb. And there's a line that goes into this. This is like for exhaust, fresh air kind of stuff for emissions. So I got that fancy block off plate from the Ruck Shop, and I got the intake from the Ruck Shop. It's a uni one. And,
so I assume
it also came with jets. I think the jets are the same size as stock, but I mean I put them in anyways. I haven't really noticed the difference yet. I feel like it's just a tad bit faster with the intake. It feels a little less restrictive.
I think that you might have taken this off of your purple sparkle Miata valve cover.
It would probably fit. I've never had a Miata. Kind of work out a better way to mount the taillight. I might just go with the R6 taillight modification.
Man, you got zip ties everywhere.
Yes.
This is zip tie.
Yeah, zip ties.
This is all zip tie. This is zip tie.
Yeah, the plate used to be all part of the whole frame thing. That's
Wait a
part of the
minute.
taillight.
Didn't I adjust this? God damn it.
No, I don't like it down
It's
there.
down.
You're bending my
go
plate.
down.
Don't bend my plate.
It goes down.
Right there. How about that? I like it like that.
Why?
I kind of like it like that.
It looks goofy.
What's wrong with you?
Well, you got to do it like the motocross or the.
No. Did you break my zip tie?
I did not break your goddamn zip tie.
Dude,
Oh no.
Yes. When I got the Ruckus, it had this on it. I decided to take it off. I don't know why.
Because
But,
you're not that much of a Miata person.
well, I'm a Honda boy now, so I have to put this back on. I was gonna put on Tyler's Civic, but he wouldn't let me put it on because Civics need to have these. It's a thing. Anyways, I think that is it. So now we are going to do a test to, we're going to compare the stock exhaust compared to the new exhaust with the baffle, and then we're going to take the baffle out and see how it sounds. Oh my god, it's so loud. Alright, so progress update. I got the exhaust off. Zach is editing one of our videos. And yeah, it's off, and now I'm gonna start putting on the, I don't know where it is. Other exhaust. Right there. Let's do it. So I think this is how it goes on. It's on, but it's not super tightened yet because I'm trying to figure some stuff out. These bolts they fit in the threads where they mounted on the stock part, but the part where it goes into this bracket, it's a little bigger than the bolt, and it doesn't come with spacers or anything. And I have 4 bolts. I don't know if one's an extra. I don't know. I don't know.
Just get it on and see if
Oh. Well, I'm trying to figure out what this does too. This is an extra bracket they gave me. I don't know what that goes to. That.
It doesn't have instructions?
No, it didn't come with any instructions.
Stop buying stuff off eBay.
It's from the Ruck shop. So I'm gonna figure it out and get back to you guys when I figure it out. Alright, ready? We're gonna start it. Come on, start. Okay, hold the throttle open a little bit. Stop laughing. Whoa! Wow! That's thumpy. Well, it sounds like a dirt bike. That 4-stroke dirt bike sound. Whoa. That's thick. Does that just come out?
Try it.
Is it hot?
It looks like that's welded in, dude.
I think it's welded in.
So the baffle doesn't come out.
No. Huh.
Oh, lame ass.
Well, we gotta cut this out, I guess. Alright, so it took a lot of white lithium grease, PB blaster, and a lot of persuasion, and we got this thing out of there. I don't know how that was in there so tight. We had to like pry and pull on the screws that were in there, and I guess it looks kind of cool like that.
Now it's more just exhaust bits.
Yeah.
Because like this stuff is more
Will this part come out, you think?
We could probably get it out, but I think we should...
That might be actually welded in there.
Yeah. We could tap it with something.
Yeah.
It's welded.
Yep.
Wow. So I think this looks way better.
Let me see it.
Because it looks like a pipe coming out, you know?
Yeah. Well, that's especially not going to come out because of this turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's in there. And that's got like, yeah, it's got that meshy muffler filament stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
So that ain't coming out. But it looks better now since it's more open.
All right, let's ride it.
All right.
Oh,
Oh.
that's it. Not too loud. Wow, it sounds like a motorcycle now.
I like that the most.
Yeah, me too.
That's best.
All right, let's go. Oh, it sounds like a motorcycle.
Like a real motorcycle. Hope you guys enjoyed this exhaust video of the Ruckus.
That's. It's just a noise machine now. It's so fun. Still a Miata.
God, what? Both Mustang 2s! That's awesome! Wow. It's red! Oh my god, wow. That's awesome. Ooh, I love it.